Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to add a sticker to your comments on Instagram using your Android device. Let's make your comments more vibrant and engaging with this simple process. To get started, launch the Instagram app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, scroll down through your feed until you find the post where you'd like to leave a sticker comment. Now, tap on the comment bar located below the post to begin typing your comment. Express yourself creatively by adding a sticker to your comment. Look for the sticker icon at the bottom right corner of the comment box. Next, tap on the sticker icon to access the sticker options. Browse through the collection of stickers available and choose the one that best suits your message. Once you've found the perfect sticker, simply tap on it to select it. After selecting the sticker, send it by tapping on the sticker itself. Your comment will now include the chosen sticker, adding a fun and colorful element to your interaction. By incorporating stickers into your Instagram comments, you can make your communication more visually appealing and engaging. Elevate your presence on the platform and express yourself creatively with the use of stickers in your comments.